New dishes washing out.
Yeah, it's raining early again. It's raining again. This is, I'm surprised, it's only noon, and it's already flooding again. Good news, I finally got a protector. So it doesn't flood our porch anymore. That's the good news. Yeah, I can't believe it's raining this early in the morning again. It's raining early again. You can see that river right there. That river of rain. Yeah. I'll see you guys later. Bye.